Testing test, 1, 2. All right, so my whole life, I feel like there's been this search or this question in my head, you know, and I guess the simplest form to put it in is like whether or not God is real, what's your purpose here. I really don't even have the question in word form. I just know that my entire life I've been searching for something. And I guess the best example that I have so far is God, right? And you know, when you first get here to Earth and you learn the language wherever you are, they tell you about God. So society introduced me to God. But then after you live for a while and you experience so many things, it was society that made me unsure about God. And so I turned to science, as often people will do. I thought the answer or the question may have been somewhere scientific. It was what explained the rest of the world to me, you know. Uh, Pursuit of science eventually, inevitably, took me among the stars, and I started searching galaxies and universes and nebulas, suns, distant places, as far as the information we had to date could explain. And that left me empty as well. There were no answers until I came upon the idea of flat Earth. And don't get me wrong, it's not that I'm saying the Earth is flat. That's not what I'm saying. I'll tell you, the flat Earth argument gets lost in so much BS egotistical stuff that you forget the other things that come with flat Earth that totally contradict what we were taught before. And one of those things is the sun. Whether you're a geocentrist or a heliocentrist, you gotta admit that there is something strange and unanswered about the sun and the moon. I mean, your best description to me is that it's a ball of fire 93 million miles away. And my visibility right here in this same atmosphere, looking east to west, is what, 10 miles? But somehow I can see an object 93 million miles away. And you know, their excuses, because it's so big. Well, that's what she said. But regardless, I don't think my eyes can see 93 million miles away, no matter how big the object is. And when I see the sun shining on the bottom side of clouds, it gives me a local feeling that it's here with me, not 93 million miles away. When I see sun rays bursting through clouds at a geometric angle that through trigonometry can easily give you the distance and size of the object that you're measuring. Because science has to fit 3 criteria, right? It has to be observable, measurable, and repeatable. I don't know how the fuck they measure 93 million miles, but there's something wrong with that, man. It just so happens the sun is 93 million miles away and it's super big. But it's the same size as the moon in our vision. I don't know, man. They say that most of the things that you believe as far as information about this place and where we are and what this is pretty solid in your mind by age 8. So you got an 8-year-old trying to protect your psyche from unraveling based on the lies we've been told here. I don't know, man. I'm just rambling. Y'all have a good day.